Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this solar camp light and we will unbox it in this video. Okay, let's get started.
Somebody, yeah, that's my Maserati going ham. No salami, that's your chick. If I like it, then I'm straight. Boat garden in a club. Where the bottles that rose.
First of all, let me break the seal. Here comes box is open. We have in front it a solar panel. With it we have this torch. Oh, this is the wire for charging it, and this torch, and this can be used for camping. And first of all, look at the specifications. Power failure, dark campsite, car trouble, and it has solar charging, USB output, and a button. Very elegant design, and it is a plastic body, but it's quite heavy. There's a very large battery, can last for hours, and made in China. Here comes product descriptions and the other stuff, which it has. We have taken, let me take an overview. It has a USB, but this USB only works on solar. When this is charging or charging on solar, this is a socket for this wire goes straight in, and this will go in a wall socket. It will be charging. Okay, but it is a bit of charge. This is switch on and off button. And it has a very elegant feature. This, by pulling this, to just work like a lantern. Off the shut off it. Just need to pull it down. Off. Very awesome thing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.